Samsung Galaxy S24 series is about to launch in a few days on January 17th, 2024, and everyone in the Samsung community is so excited about the S24 series smartphone. With just a few days left before the event, we've got some exclusive leaks about the 24 series. The leaked details showcase Samsung's commitment to its flagship devices. As per Android headlines, Samsung's forthcoming flagship is set to receive updates for an impressive 7-year duration. While the details are not explicitly clarified, it's hoped that this extensive support encompasses not only security updates, but also extends to Android, One UI, and additional feature enhancements. The leaked information also indicates that the Galaxy AI features will remain free of charge until at least 2025 on supported Galaxy devices. This implies that Samsung might consider introducing fees for certain features in the future. This move seems unusual, especially when considering that Google doesn't charge for any of its features. The real question lies in whether Samsung plans to monetize more advanced features individually, or if they intend to bundle them into a subscription model or a one-time fee. Additionally, it has been mentioned that certain AI features will necessitate users to log in with their Samsung account credentials, although the specific features requiring this login are not clearly outlined. It introduces an interesting aspect that awaits further clarification. However, Samsung's strategy to adopt 7 years of updates is seriously going to lure a lot of people. It is because of updates people are forced to change their phones. Considering the long-term update factor, people might hold on to their smartphones for a bit longer than usual. We also have a leaked screen-recorded video of the One UI 6.1, which will come pre-installed in the S24 series. The video is about the live wallpaper generated by AI, and to be honest, the live wallpaper does look great. Talking about the AI features and design of the S24 Ultra, the teaser published on Samsung's YouTube channel shows the Las Vegas skyline with portals opening up, indicating AI capabilities being uncovered on the S24 Ultra. Just like its predecessors, it also reveals the phone's rear quad camera setup arranged vertically, along with the signature Samsung design featuring sharp edges. What else? The rest of the details are yet secret and part of leaks and rumors. As for the specifications, the S24 Ultra may feature a 6.8-inch QHD+ AMOLED display with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Under the hood, it shall be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with up to 12 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. A 5,000 mAh battery and Android 14 OS are also expected. What do you guys think of these leaks? Do you consider the period of update factor while buying a smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.